Hi guys! For today's video is titingnan natin ang comparison or ang difference between colored paper and the art paper. Okay, first dito muna tayo sa colored paper. At sa Bambi Store, ang available lang is short and then long. This is the art paper. Ang available lang sa akin na art paper is short. Hindi ko alam if may long nito, pero so far, wala pa ako na-encounter na long nito. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Sa akin, ang available lang is ang short. This is the art paper. So, ang difference ng art paper is manipis ito siya compared sa colored paper. That is the art paper. Yan. Colored sa harap, sa likod is hindi. Okay? And manipis siya. So, ito siya. And colored siya back to back. Okay? So, yung ating art paper, manipis, tapos ang colored lang is nasa harapan. Yung sa likod is walang color. Samantalang ating construction paper or colored paper is colored siya back to back and then makapal siya. Yung iba, tinatawag din ito na construction paper. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But before nga is, ang nakasulat dito is construction paper or maybe sa ibang brand, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But yeah, makapal siya and then colored back to back and available. Again, available in short size and long size. Okay? This one, so far, hindi pa ako nakaka-encounter ng long na art paper. So, that's it. Colored art paper and colored paper.